Okay, we're making Brandy's peanut butter pumpkin birthday cake. I don't know why Brandy's sitting backwards. I started with a ½ cup of coconut oil, and now we are doing a ½ cup of pumpkin. Or not pumpkin, peanut butter. Hey, you wanna lick? No, Brandy. It would work better if you weren't sitting backwards. We're just probably gonna use the rest of the peanut butter that's in this jar because it's almost out. We see those videos of dogs like cooking and Brandy's just backwards. Brandy, stay. Okay. And then we're gonna flip this in. Brandy, did you see this? Look! Look at this. Maybe we should be cooking the other way. The other way. Into the same bowl with the coconut oil is in. I should have just scraped it into the bag in the first place. Good girl. You're okay, good girl. She's not used to these, so she's kind of scared. Okay, did you want this? Peanut butter, apple cider vinegar. Okay, so I have to get the pumpkin, but I need a can opener. So we're going to do 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Oh, I didn't realize this recipe does not have eggs. That's probably what the vinegar's for. Okay, now we do need a can opener. Stay. Stay. And a liquid measure. No, stay. 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 Come on, you're gonna. Brandy, stay. You're gonna like this one. Look. You might not like this though. So let me do this over here. Would you like this one? Do you want milk? I'm actually going to need these again. Then a ½ cup of pumpkin. Look, Gran. Look. I just don't think she likes sitting backwards. We might have to readjust her so she's not so scared. Brandy, look. Brandy, look. Oh, she's nervous because she's sitting backwards. Brandy, if you were sitting backwards, you wouldn't be so nervous. Here you go. You can have that, good girl. You can have it. Yeah, you can have it. No, you're fine. Apparently, Brandy is too afraid for this, so we're gonna put the rest of the ingredients in here and then go mix it with her. Then, gonna need a cup of milk. I'm just using goat's milk. And then we're gonna take this over to where Brandy's laying and whisk it. And then we'll come back and do the drying. Do you possibly want to lift that a little bit? You can get it. You can get it. You can do it. So you just want to mix it until there's a little bit of like peanut butter lumpies in here until all those lumpies are gone. And we'll probably actually do most of the mixing by hand and then throw it in the mixer just to be on the safe side. Would you like to taste test it, Missy? It is your cake. Good girl. Is that good? Is that good? Okay, can we go through the dry ingredients? Okay, I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients in here and then add wet and dry together. So, we will need 1/4 tablespoon of salt, which I just normally do a pinch of salt. A 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, but we're just going to do a shake of it. Can kind of eyeball it, just don't do too much. Baking soda, we need 1 teaspoon of that. I need to measure. And for flour, we need to do 1 cup and a half. Forgot to preheat the oven, but it's okay. We might not put this in the oven until we come home from shopping. We'll get all this ready and then bake it when we come home. Okay, we're gonna throw this stuff in. We're gonna mix this, and then we're gonna add dry and wet together and go stir it with Miss Brandy Gritty. And you just want to mix it until the flour and dry ingredients are nice and combined. Right, Brandy, now your turn. Good job. Brandy, oh, that's not good. And it should pretty much look like this when you're done mixing it. Would you like to taste test it again? And go put it in your, you want to go put it in the cake pan? Okay. In the oven at 350 for about 20-25 minutes. We're going to put this in the, put it in this cute foam thing. I forgot to preheat my oven, so we're going to do that and then bake it. I'll show you when I bake it, but we need to spray this with non-stick spray so it does not stick. We're going to add this to the pan. Oops. Let me tilt you. Get straight so you can see. Brandy's already waiting for more. I think this is about good. I'm just trying to make sure I don't have like a lopsided side of the bone or something. Just want to make it nice and even. That looks pretty good. Guys, so it's Brandy's birthday. We melted down some yogurt chips. We're gonna use this on the cake. The cake is finished, so I'm gonna try to pour this on and see how it goes. I'm kind of scared because it's not melting down how I would like it to. Okay, I don't know about you, but that is so cute. I'm obsessed. I mean, I might do like little, well, it's actually hard to now, so it's probably not good. Like put extra treats up there, but it did turn out super cute. I'm obsessed with it. Yeah, so I am on my break from my last break for work. After work, we have to go pick up Michael's suit jacket for the wedding on Friday because he got it, or Saturday because he got it dry cleaned. Then we have to go to Marshall's because TJ Maxx and Home Goods failed us yesterday on finding any BEDs. I don't want to say the word because Brandy will know what that means. I thought I would show you our cute little birthday setup. So, one sec. Oh, focus. They all signed it and there was a PetSmart gift card in there. And then that's just the card you get from Chewy. You got this bandana from Target and their little hats are so cute. And then we got this little chalkboard sign from Target. Brandy got some new treats. We're obsessed with Three Dog Bakery. We actually got to go to Three Dog Bakery last year in Kansas City, so that was really nice. That was fun. We got some cute treats from there. I wish we had one here. This is a bandana that I got Brandy from Wilder Dog because I thought it would look good on her for like fall time and stuff. This is a waterproof leash. I got Brandy from Wilder Dog again because I figured it was time for a waterproof leash. Got her little plates for her cake and this Let's Party sign that I need to blow up. So maybe we'll go get that and do that on break. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brandy. Happy birthday to you. Brandy, you gotta blow out your candle. You gotta blow out your candle. Go blow it out. Care, watch the fire. Watch the fire. Please watch the candle. Be careful, there's fire on the cake. Oh, Jesus, Brandy, you gotta blow it out. Blow it out. Go blow it out.
How to do that?
Do you need help? Do you need help? Do you need help?
Get the fire off my cake.
That's what she's saying. She's like, I want to eat it. Do you need help? You look like you need help. Why don't we blow it out for you, okay? Ready? Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Do you want another piece?
Yes.
You can have one more small piece, okay?
I want a big piece.
She's just scared.